Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am sharing with you my morning routine as a working mom. So first we are starting out with making my bed. I try to do this every morning because I feel like it sets me up for success and I just feel more productive throughout the day if my bed is made. Then we are moving on to the bathroom. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my teeth. I do like to throw my hair up while I brush my teeth and wash my face. So recently I have found a skincare routine that is working really well for me. I have super oily skin, so I do like to treat that, like you're supposed to. So I love using the Neutrogena Deep Clean line. So that is what I'm using here. And of course, I will have all of my products that I use in the description box below if you are interested. But I just love all of these products and it has made such a difference in my oily skin. So now I'm just moving on to my hair. I am not somebody that curls my hair or does anything elaborate with it. I'm just not that talented, and honestly, I don't care. So I'm just straightening it, and I'm using this coconut oil spray. I will have it listed down below, but I suffered from postpartum hair loss, and my hormones just really messed up my hair. It was really fried and dead for a long time until I started using this product on my hair to straighten it, along with some other shampoo that I might share in a separate video, just like my beauty routine that is working for me right now. But anyway, I am just using my Remington Straightener. I used to have a Chi, but it broke after about 7 years and I just didn't purchase another one, and I probably won't because this Remington one does just fine. I do section my hair to straighten just because my hair is so thick. Let me know down below how you guys straighten your hair. Do you just portion it off, or do you clip it up like I do and straighten your entire head? So if you guys are new, I am a working mom. I have 2 kids and a husband, and I live in Missouri. I actually work for an eye doctor's office, and my husband is a supervisor at a boat factory. But right now during the pandemic, I am working 3 days a week, and my husband is still working 4. Normally I work a 4 to 5, so they've definitely cut me back, but thankfully our doctor takes care of us. So we've been really blessed during this whole thing. But let me know down below what you guys do for a living. I'm always curious to know. I did want to mention that I am using this Aussie dry shampoo. I just like to spray it on my roots and give myself a little bit of volume and also some dry shampoo to prepare my hair for the next day because I wash my hair every other day. So now I'm just sitting down at my vanity and doing my makeup. If you guys are interested in my everyday makeup routine, please let me know. But all of these products I've been using for about 4 months, and I literally use them every single day, and I'm so happy because I have finally found a makeup routine that works for me, and I just feel really pretty whenever I put my makeup on now. Used to, I just, was trying out so many products and could not find something that I was super happy with, and I finally have. So I will try and list all of the products that I use down below. But anyway, if you guys are interested in an everyday makeup routine, please let me know because I would be happy to do that for you. So my makeup vanity is actually nothing special. It's nothing like you see on YouTube. It's literally just a computer desk, and I just have all of my makeup sitting on it in front of a window, and this is how I get ready every morning. I like the lighting in here instead of in the bathroom, and I just like sitting down to do my makeup instead of standing and trying to do it in the bathroom. So how do you guys do your makeup? Do you do it standing up in the bathroom? Do you do it in your car? Do you sit down in a vanity? Let me know how you guys get ready in the mornings. Also, I'm not someone that the more makeup I put on does me more justice. I feel like if I keep it really minimal and try not to try too hard, I feel like my makeup always looks 10 times better than if I was to try and fill in my eyebrows or do like extra contour and stuff like that. I always get compliments on my makeup from the girls at work, and I don't know, I just like minimal and natural makeup. So after I get myself ready, I will get my daughter dressed. If I did not mention before, she is 2 and her name is Brystal. My son is actually 5, so he can pretty well get himself dressed. So he is not in this video because he's so independent and, you know, just doing 5-year-old typical things. But my daughter is at this stage where she is just talking and telling me all kinds of stories that I don't understand, and I just love this stage.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added color.
So I just had to leave that little clip in there of her being silly this morning. Her personality is just so funny, and she's at this stage where everything she does is just hilarious. She is 2, and if I didn't mention, her name is Brystal. But her hair is getting so long, and with it being so hot here in Missouri, I just decided to put it up in a ponytail this morning. So now I'm moving on to the kitchen. I always take this water to work with me. It is an OGX Tro cup, and it is about 32 ounces, I think. But I always take this to work with me so that I have water to drink throughout the day. Also, I'm getting my breakfast out of the fridge that I had prepped the night before and just heating that up really quick. And now I'm moving on to my coffee. I do drink the ItWorks Keto coffee every morning. I just mix it with water, and then I'm adding creamer to it. I love the Coldstone Creamery, and then I will add more water and just mix it. I do like mixing it in my magic bullet because it is a powder, and if you don't get it all mixed up, it does not taste good. So that's why I use my magic bullet, and then I'm just adding it to this cute little cup. It just makes it funner to drink coffee, you know, throughout the day. Then I'm taking my breakfast out of the microwave, and as you can tell, I have a lot to take out to the car, so I do like to take that out to the car before I get the kids in the car seats. And then I'm taking a second just to eat my breakfast. I didn't have time to this morning, so here I am on my way, and then I will eat it in the car. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, just, you know, another glimpse into my life. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. If you're new here, please subscribe. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.